Hi! In front of me is HTC Desire 628, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic screen rotation on this device. Firstly, go into Tab menu. Now you need to look for Auto Rotate icon and click on it. As you can see, now it's pink. That means that auto rotation is on, but you can always turn it off by tapping on the same icon. If you want to, you can always go into Settings, scroll down and select Accessibility over here. Then scroll down, click on Auto Rotate Screen, and if you see a check mark, that means that auto rotation is on. You can always turn it off by tapping on the same icon over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!